In ancient Egypt, Pharaoh Amenhotep IV had a decision to make. He would choose one queen to lead by his side and shape the future of his kingdom. Two beautiful women stood before him: Nefertiti, wise, gentle, and full of a hopeful vision for a united Egypt; Kia, passionate and determined, she believed in reviving Egypt's ancient strength. In a quiet chamber, the pharaoh listened as each presented her dream. Nefertiti said, "Great Pharaoh, I see an Egypt that grows with art, knowledge, and love, a nation that honors both its past and its future." Kia declared, "My lord, let us restore the proud traditions of old, so that Egypt remains mighty and unyielding." After a long moment of silence, the pharaoh spoke. "I choose Queen Nefertiti, for her vision of unity and progress will light the path for our future." The court erupted in whispers. Some celebrated the choice, while others mourned Kia's defeat. Yet, in that moment, a new era began for Egypt. Some say she vanished. Others believe she ruled in disguise as Pharaoh Smenkhkare. Was she exiled, overthrown, or did she continue ruling in secret? Her fate remains one of history's greatest mysteries.